4-way manual neck. You will be laying down on the bench with your head off of the bench. Your partner will have a towel and will provide manual resistance as you move your head in 4 directions through a comfortable range of motion. There will be resistance provided on the way down and on the way up. So you will resist as the partner presses back. The partner will provide resistance as you come forward, tucking the chin in this position. Push the head forward, tuck the chin. Bring it up, good. Resist, press. Last one. You will then rotate to a side, rotating around so you get all 4 directions. Turn on your side. The goal here is to get the ears to the shoulders. Shoulder. Remembering to always move through a comfortable range of motion with appropriate resistance. With any manual resistance, make sure you communicate with your partner as far as increasing or decreasing the amount of resistance provided.